So it is such an absolute pleasure to be here this evening at the premiere of the new Bond film. This is something that I've been waiting for so long. I know it's eagerly anticipated by hundreds of thousands of people. We've had a wonderful start to the evening, having a look at all of the different Aston Martin cars downstairs. I'm probably safer sitting in them than trying to drive any of them, but it's been wonderful looking at the history of this great, proud British brand. The automotive industry is an important part of the British economy, with a turnover of approximately 80 billion a year. And creative industry is such an important part of what we do in the UK. We have some excellent designers, different software engineers, all the different professions that build up the creative industries in the UK. It's wonderful to see the culmination of all of that talent and expertise in a fantastic film that we're going to see this evening. And great too to be in this iconic building in the Guinness World Book of Records. It looks flashy and glamorous. It feels very, very special, and I'm so grateful to the organisers and all the sponsors for making this such a wonderful evening for us all to enjoy. Thank you.